Hi everyone, it's Marisa from BumblebeeApothecary.com, and today I'd like to show you how I make Beet Kvass. For me personally, Beet Kvass is one of the most important fermented foods that there are. Dr. Natasha says that it's energizing to the liver, it is nourishing to the liver, it supports the liver, and that's so important for so many different things. The recipe that I'm going to be using today is based off of the recipe in this book, Gaps Stage by Stage with Recipes by Dr. Becky Plotner. I've mentioned this before, this is an amazing book full of so much good information if you're interested in the GAPS diet or doing the GAPS diet, so I highly recommend it. I'll leave a link down below where you can grab your own copy. But that's where I'm getting my recipe from, and let me show you how I make it. The first thing that I'm going to do is to start by slicing my beets. I want my jar about 1/3 of the way full of beets. That looks like a good amount. And then what kind of sets this Beet Kvass recipe apart from others is that you add a little bit of onion and cabbage, and it really makes it taste really good. So I'm just going to peel my onion and then thinly slice enough to where I have about an inch thick layer of it in the jar. And then I'm going to add some cabbage. I have some that's already cut up here, so I'm just going to add, again, about an inch thick layer of cabbage. Then I'm going to add some salt. For this size of a jar, a 1/2 gallon jar, I add 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm using a nice high quality mineral salt here. It's Baja Gold, which is one of my favorites. And then last of all, I'm just going to fill it to the shoulder, which is the part where it starts to curve, this top little measurement on the pint side, and with filtered water. Oh, a little more yet. There we go. Next, I'm going to put a lid on. It's my regular canning ring and flat lid, and then let it sit and ferment on the counter for about 12 days. Kind of a nice thing about this ferment is that once the liquid is most of the way gone, you can fill it up. She says in the book even 1/3 and 1/4 time. I find that I don't like the flavor as much when I do it 1/3 and 1/4 time, so I'll do it a second time, and then after that start over with new ingredients. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed seeing how to make Beet Kvass. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I get out 2 new videos every week on nourishing recipes and natural living. If you have ideas for videos you'd like me to make, be sure to leave me a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.